Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove sound or music from your videos in VivaCut. So in here, I've already opened the VivaCut apps. Now you can just open or add the videos that you want to remove its sound. Here, I've already added mine. This is the video, and as you guys can hear that the video has its own sound, and I want to remove that. So what you need to do, just click on the clip here, and in the bottom you'll see the mute option, so just tap on that. Now when you play the video, the sound will be mute, or there will be no sound on the video. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.